In this video, we'll look how current to voltage properties of Zener diode can be measured and a characteristics graph created. Output of function generator is connected to adjustable current source circuit that converts voltage to current in milliamperes range. Current source is connected to 3.3 volts Zener diode. Voltage and current will be measured while current through diode is changed. Although voltage and current properties can be examined by looking at a measurement screen, I'm interested to see results in graph format. Measured values over one full cycle are logged by Data Logger. For next measurement, output of function generator is changed to logarithmic fall, as it will give more measurements at low current. Two full current sweep cycles are measured and logged. To examine results, Data Logger is connected to computer as USB flash disk. Measurement files can be opened in Microsoft Excel. File shows measurement type, measurement interval, and values logged. Graph of measured values can be created. There are few readings at about Zener voltage of 3.3 volts. This does not provide much information. Other data file should have more measurements at low current values. Newly created measurements graph shows that Zener voltage of 3.3 volts corresponds to about 7 milliamperes. Scatter graph type can be used that shows voltage and current on X and Y axis. X-axis with current values can be changed to logarithmic scale. Instead of using Zener diode, any other current to voltage dependent circuit can be measured and characterized in a similar way. Visit the link in the video description for more information about the Data Logger device.